Now I am going to tell you about the safety aspects. See, safety is very important while doing any kind of repair job, as the risks are also associated with this repair job, the repair business. The safety includes safety of customers equipment as well as your own health. See, when you work on this motherboard, you work with a hot air gun and your face is also close to the motherboard. Anything can explode and get in your eyes. So wear a plastic glasses, not sunglasses, plastic glasses with a clear looking glass, neutral in color. Wear glasses that contains a plastic glass, the fiber material glass. See, if you wear a breakable glass, if something explodes and gets into that glass will also explode in your eyes. So it will be a much more risk to your eyes. So wear a plastic glass, glasses with having a plastic glass when you work near the motherboard. All right, and the another thing to keep in mind is ventilation of your shop. See, when you work on this motherboard, you apply the solder flux, and the fumes which arise from this flux are harmful to our health. It causes cancer. With the prolonged use of this liquid flux fumes, it can cause cancer to your health. So if you have a well ventilated space or you keep a smoke absorber near this working equipment, the fumes will not directly go to your lungs. Another safety aspect is a fire extinguisher. It's better to keep a fire extinguisher near your workbench, as fire may break up anywhere at any place. Always wear an anti-static strip, the wristband on your hand while opening a customer's laptop. See, our body carries electrostatic charge, which gets transferred to the equipment, the metal plate where we touch, and if the charge gets into some delicate components like RAM or the delicate components of the motherboard, they may get damaged. So if you wear an anti-static strap, the your body's static charge, it will get grounded on the bench where you have connected that electrostatic strap. If you haven't got an electrostatic wristband, then you can sit bare feet on your floor. The static charge of our body goes to the ground when you sit bare feet. But keep in mind, while sitting bare feet, do not touch any electrical wires. You can work on the motherboards, but no AC voltage while sitting bare feet, as you can get heavy electrical shock from the AC wires, AC voltage carrying wires. Do not wear do not wear any kind of hand jewelry while working on the motherboard. See, if you are working on a motherboard and if you are wearing some kind of jewelry, it may drop on your motherboard, and if there is a live voltage applied on this motherboard, it will cause a short circuit. All right, so don't wear a hand jewelry, any kind of hand jewelry. Before doing any kind of work, keep that jewelry on the table or aside somewhere else. And also wear cotton gloves. It is good to wear cotton gloves on your hands while working, because the flux that we use for soldering is also harmful to our body. If you are not using that gloves, so after finishing your work, it's better to clean your hands thoroughly with the 2 times. It's better to wash your hands 2 times with soap after finishing your work, so that the flux gets removed off properly, as this flux is a cancer causing agent. So wash your hands properly. When you are opening a laptop, do not open a laptop when the supply is plugged in, charger or battery. Before opening any laptop, remove the charger and the battery, so that the screw may not cause any kind of short circuit inside the motherboard while opening the laptop. And one more important thing to keep in your business is a invoicing system. do keep a proper invoicing system. The invoicing system includes a kind of receiving letter that you hand over to the customer when you receive his laptop. When you receive the customer equipment to get all the peripherals, all the spare parts, the DVD writer, RAM, the hard disk, the motherboard, the heat sink, the processor, duly signed by the customer with a proper permanent ink marker. The battery also. See, it is good for you in if I'll give you an example. If the customer says that before repairing the battery was giving 2 hours of backup, and when I got it back from your shop the battery is giving only 1 hour of battery backup, maybe you have replaced the battery with a faulty one. So if you have battery signed from the customer, you can show it to the customer that this is the same battery that you gave to us. Alright, so maintain a proper invoicing system, get the spare parts signed, and do mention it on the invoice, on the paper material that you will hand over to the customer. Get it signed from the customer and hand over the copy to the customer and keep one copy at your place. Also mention the risk factors. Also mention your business policies on the invoice. See, like this is a repair work and minor damage can occur to the customer's motherboard if the repair works goes wrong. Means if there are errors associated with the kind of repair work. So if you fail in doing the repair, you should not be responsible for that job. It should be written on the invoice system, duly signed by the customer. This is good for you, so customer cannot get you into the court for any kind of damage to his equipment.